trades. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Why is my chin so shiny? That's kind of weird. Okay, so today we are unboxing the August Allure beauty box. If you're not familiar with it, it is a $15 a month subscription box. You get large sample to full-size items, beauty, skincare, blah, 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 for, like I said, $15 a month. If you want to get it for $10 for your first month, use my link below to get your own. So if you want to see what is in this box, keep watching. Alright, so to get into this box, so basically they have not so much a theme every month, but they put it in these little baggies, and you do get a little pamphlet in here that comes with the retail prices, yes, of what each item is. So I'm not going to quite look at that, we're just going to open it up and see what is in this bag. So each month is a different color baggie. So far I've gotten pretty much every color of the rainbow, but let's see what we have. So right here, the first thing that just kind of stands out to me is called Makeup Eraser. It is a mini makeup eraser, and it says that it is equal to 3,600 makeup wipes, which is insane. It is the #1 sustainable makeup remover in the world. Wow. Now, I've really gotten to like makeup wipes, so this could potentially be a good thing for me. Alright, so when it said eraser and it's in this shape, I thought that I was thinking of like a solid kind of item. So this is interesting. What? It looks like an eye mask, and it's fuzzy and soft. I don't smell any chemicals or anything on it, so that's weird. So let's see how this works. Alright, so this says basically to put warm water on this, and then you just wipe your face with it with warm water, and you don't need any other products according to this, but you can use a micellar water or any other makeup remover if you prefer, and it is machine washable and dryable just like any other normal thing. So I don't know that there's a product on it, it just says soak in warm water, and that's it. So I think mostly it's the fabric, like a microfiber fabric that it says on here, is what actually does the job. So that's, whoever came up with that that's awesome. Alright, so let's see how much this retails for. Alright, Makeup Eraser Mini in Black retails for $12. Good price. Alright, so the next item we have is Primera Cream. This is a Hydrator Alpine Berry Water Cream. That is what that looks like. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Alright, so this is just another one of those itty bitty little things, like literally you get a very small amount. And let's see what exactly this is supposed to do. So it's just a cream. Oh crap. Hello there, kitty. What are you doing? She had to get up here and see what's going on. Say hi. Okay, so the cream is, alright, so the large size retails for $40. I know, it's a seal. I do. Bouncy gel cream. So that is cool. Alright, so next we have, there's actually a lot of products in here. Alright, so we have Cargo Cosmetics, which is an essential lip color. And this says Rouge on it. Hello, my shields. Say hi to everybody. Say hi, my kitty. This is Miss Mama's. Say hi. Alright, essential lip color. Where are we at? Oh my god! Okay, so my cat just knocked over my light and tripod and everything. Let's go again. So this Cargo lip color retails for something. All right, this retails for $22. Let's see what she looks like. Okay, so this is our metal container. All right, and this is a red color, hence Rouge, the name of it. So that is cool. It is like a corally, orangey kind of red. There you go. I like the shape of it, and that's really neat. I'm not doing anything with that yet. I have been getting so many reds lately. I don't know if that's like the new color of the year or whatever, but I've definitely been getting a lot of reds, and a girl don't need so many red colors. Alright, so the next one we have is mascara. This is from Benefit, called They're Real. That's what it looks like. Let's take it out. And this is what that looks like. And this retails for $25. We're gonna keep that in there because I do not need, again, a mascara at the moment. All right, we have a Multitask eye serum mask. I love eye masks. I love masks in general. They are awesome for like a spa day. So eye-catching instant results. It's a hydrogel eye patch formulated with a powerhouse. Let's see, to tackle the major signs of under eye, dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, and wrinkles. How freaking awesome. All right, so this retails for $35. So I don't know if that's just for one of them or if it comes in a pack for $35, but I wouldn't pay $35 for one. That's a little crazy. There's that. We have 2 more items. So we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. 7 items? Holy crap. Okay, so we have Nuria Defend Triple Action Eye Cream. Yes, eye creams are always needed and wanted and awesome. Okay, let's see. Oh, look, it's in a little package. Alright, so here is what this looks like, and it just says Defend with mulberry root and ginseng. You can't really read it because of that. Now let's take a look at this, which retails for $40 for the full thing. Let's see, it helps to not crease your concealer, and it brings down morning puffiness right away, and moisturizes to visibly plump fine lines. So that is awesome. Let's take a look and see. What is that thing? Look at that. That's so weird. That's really interesting. Let's see if it has a smell. Okay. Okay, so it's, I said it again. So it smells fruity. It's a very thick eye cream. This seems like a really, really good product, so I am excited to try that. Eye creams, any type of cream like that is always a winner in my book. I love trying new brands, all of that good stuff. One more, and then we will do the full recap of everything that we got. So the last one we have is Ipsy. Yes, I love Ipsy. Their lipsticks are amazing. Like, it's one of the few brands that I can wear and it doesn't come off when you eat or drink. So this is their liquid beam. So this is a multi-purpose liquid illuminator. So it's a highlighter. All right, in the color topaz, we have that right there. All right, and this retails for, okay, $22. It has a glossy wet finish that is buildable. All right, so let's see. I guess it wouldn't hurt to put a little bit on. First, let's do a swatch on my hand, and then I'll put a little on my face. Alright, so this is on my hand. This is the illuminator. That is definitely illuminating, very shiny and gold and beautiful. Let's put a little bit. Very nice. I feel like you don't get a lot on the applicator. It's really hard to actually get it out of the container. So that's not the greatest. Okay. That's cute. I don't see a whole lot of difference, but you can definitely tell in my hand. Very nice, super shiny. All right, so to recap, we'll start backwards to forwards. We have the Allure Illuminator. I'm just gonna leave it out of the package. We have our eye cream. Oh crap. We have the Rouge, the red lipstick. We have the Benefit mascara. You have the Primera, which is a very, very, very small sample of the cream, moisturizing cream stuff. And then we have the makeup eraser thing and the multi-eye serum. Holy crap, 7 items for $15. And this is basically full size, this is full size, and this is like a really good, I don't know if that's full size or not, but it's big, so wow. That is, holy crap, like I feel like it's just getting better and better. So if you don't already have it, what are you waiting for? Link below, go get your own because this is freaking amazing. I am so impressed with this box, so yes. All right, so if you guys do like it, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, subscribe for more awesome videos. I am Jen of all trades. I do just about everything. Unboxings, reviews, hauls, not really so much makeup, palettes and stuff, yes. Hair tutorials. As you can see, I am blonde again, so that will be coming up again in the future. I have some remnants from, you know, swimming in a pool. It's real good way to get the color out. So we'll be doing all of this very soon, so stay tuned. And I will see you guys on my next one. Okay, bye.